GIVE program stands for Grower Installer Vocational Training and Education. We created the GIVE program because there is a huge shortage of skilled installers within the plumbing and sanitary industry. So we decided to create this truck. As you can see here, this has one of our 6-meter training racks on board, and we take this truck around to schools that haven't signed up to the GIVE program and don't know anything about us, and we want to encourage them to come on board and their students to come onto the GIVE program and learn all about grower product.
I ragazzi, salendo sul track, si trovano ad affrontare situazioni reali, quindi smontano e rimontano prodotti reali, di conseguenza si divertono e apprendono tecniche e conoscenze che sicuramente useranno in futuro nella loro attività.
Ha vinto Luca!
Grande bravo!
Grazie! È stata un'esperienza molto bella, abbiamo toccato con mano quello che studiamo di solito.
Ho vinto anche un premio.
La collaborazione con GROHE apporta innovazione.
By the end of 2025, we hope to have over 100 GIVE program schools, and with 100 GIVE program schools, we'll be able to train over 10,000 students.